Welcome to my Life Skills channel. Unemployment is an issue across the globe, and related to this, many people they are talking about learning gap is one of the reason of unemployment. But the age we are living in, the digital age, it is not only students from schools and colleges, but there is a knowledge gap among people, those they come from any age group, any background, isn't it? And that's why my today's topic is learning gap in the age of digitalization. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. So today we'll briefly discuss what is learning gap in the age of digitalization. Then we'll deeply go through 5 types of learning gap. So what is learning gap? Learning gap is the piece of information or piece of skill what you have already acquired or you know, but the expectation is to another point. There is the gap remains. Let me simplify it with the example of, since we are talking about in the age of digitalization, so social media is used by everyone, people from all age groups, from all types of profession, isn't it? So what happens here, people what they do, they know that they have a skill that how to open an account, how to share their photo, how to comment, how to troll everything, right? But what they are lacking some other skills, and I'll tell you those 3 gaps is, number one is people are reacting more than responding. Whatever social media we see, that people immediately they are reacting without knowing whatever it is other than responding it. Number two is lack of contextual intelligence. Contextual intelligence, one thing might be true for you, false for another person, but people are lacking that contextual intelligence on the platform of digital platform. Number three is lack of emotional intelligence. That's why you are going anywhere, you are trolling anyone, gaslighting, whatever you are doing, right? So you know that what is, how you know that this is the gap of, operational knowledge, you have operational skills, but you are lacking the intelligent skill. So this is the gap of learning gap in the age of digitalization. Now how, let's go deep into this. So number one gap is knowledge gap. As I said that, suppose you want something, then you go to Google or YouTube or any other Paitu or any other search engine. But what if you don't have internet access? There is, you have the knowledge gap. Those who have access, they know that. Again, one layer after that is, even if you have access to internet, but you don't know the source of information, whether that is authentic or not. If you don't know that, then again there is the gap remains, right? Then number two gap is skill gap. As I said in the beginning that you have the operational skills, how to open an account, how to post, all those things, but you are lacking the skill of intelligence skill, how to in a civilized way we have to use it. Even if people are, they are becoming, they are getting anxiety, they are making others feel the same way on this social world. So there is the skill gap remains. Number three is motivational gap. What is motivation? Motivation means when you seek inspiration from others. Let me give an example. Suppose many people in some places, women, I am giving this as particular example, but this is not about, I am not generalizing it, I am giving a particular example. Some women, they don't like to come on YouTube, even if they are sharing the photo, everything on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all those things. Even if they like, sometimes what they like, women should do videos on cooking, baking, interior decoration, skincare, all those things. If another woman shares something knowledge, intelligence, they can digest that. So their criticism, their reaction is, like attacking. So here you are lacking the motivation. But there are different examples in different, you can find in different places. Now coming to number 4. Number 4 gap is communication gap. Because people have why they have communication gap, because everybody wants to be politically right, everybody wants to be a people pleaser, so nobody wants to address this issue. That's why there is the communication gap. And number 5, that is last but not the least, is environmental gap. What is environmental gap? As I said that, maybe again we can say that environment, some places you go, there is no networking sites, so there is, you can't learn anything if you want to. So if you don't have networking, that is that is technical thing. Another thing is, as I say that, what type of people you are surrounded with, if you are, so that is your environment, whether they are supporting you or they are motivating you, they are inspirational or not. That is another type of environment. So all these things are creating the digital gap. But as I said, told you this gaps, also with this gaps you understood that what are the solution. It's very common thing, but we don't want to address it. That's why I brought this topic today, and I hope you like this topic. If you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and write down your opinion in the comment box. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.